In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a tracker in Notion. We're building a clean, reliable Notion habit tracker powered by buttons, so you can mark off your daily habits in just a tap. I'll walk you through setting up the database, configuring a one-click check all button for today, and creating individual buttons that work great on mobile. Start by creating a new page in Notion and adding an inline table. This table will be your habit tracker database. Give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. Add a date property and make sure it's set to the date type. I recommend using date only to keep things simple and consistent. Each row in this table will represent a single day. Next, add a checkbox property for each habit you want to track. For example, you might have exercise, read, and water. Set each of these properties to the checkbox type. Short, consistent names will keep your table readable, especially on smaller screens. As you use the tracker, you'll add a new row for each day and mark the date accordingly. Now, let's add the button that checks off all habits at once for the current day. Insert a button block and give it a name like Complete Today. Set the action to edit pages. Choose your habit tracker database as the target, and add a filter so it only affects the row where the date is today. Then, in the Changes section, set each habit checkbox to checked. Save the button. With this in place, clicking the button will automatically mark all of today's habits as complete, which is perfect if you prefer to batch your updates at the end of the day. If you prefer more granular control, especially on mobile, create a separate button for each habit. Add a button block, set the action to edit pages, and filter it to the row where the date is today. Configure the change so it toggles just that one habit's checkbox for today. Place these buttons near the top of your page for quick access. This way, when you finish a habit, you can tap its button and instantly update your tracker without scrolling. A few tips to keep things smooth. Always confirm your filter says date is today, so the button targets the correct row. If no row exists for today yet, add one and select today's date before using the button. And if you ever need to undo a change, use your undo shortcut right away. That's it. You now have a Notion habit tracker with smart buttons that make daily tracking fast and satisfying.